Solution of environmental protection FILTRELEC is a complete range for the filtration of waters polluted by mineral and vegetable oils from electrical transformers. These filters comply with the Clean Water Act. They permanently trap hydrocarbons, thus preventing water and soil pollution. FILTRELEC has three functions: continuous evacuation of rainwater of the pits or retention bunds to avoid pumping of the polluted water. Capture of hydrocarbons, which guarantees a rainwater contamination output lower than 5 ppm per litre. And instant sealing in event of sudden oil spill. Very easy to mount, it adapts to any type of installation. 5 minutes are enough. FILTRELEC is a patented range designed and manufactured in France, developed in partnership with Total and the French Petroleum Institute. We ensure rigorous quality monitoring during each production phase in compliance with the ISO 9001 standard. The FILTRELEC range is the widest on the market, with flow rates going from 5 to 1,500 litres per minute in fixed or mobile installation. Our filters have been tested and validated by the largest certification bodies. At the forefront of innovation, our teams have developed a rechargeable filtration system on-site, eco-designed with materials resistant to UV and extreme temperatures. It allows to change only the filter cartridge and not the entire filter when it is saturated. This system reduces by 50% the mass of waste produced. FILTRELEC is sold on the 5 continents. This is the most competitive range of the market, with an exceptional lifetime.